Hi everyone, this is Shuaib Siddiqui. I am the project coordinator of 5GZORRO project. A 5GZORRO project is very much focused on addressing the ubiquitous computing and networking challenge of the 5G. In solving these challenges, we identified a more narrow down focus for us, and these things involved addressing the automated service and network management that's required because of the distributed multi-technology and multi-domain networks that increase the complexity of the network. And also we see that for the future networks, the cross-domain trust across the multi-stakeholders, multi-operators, that then adding to this network slicing, multi-tenancy, virtualization, and all this further complicates the trust establishment across the domains. Another challenge that we are addressing is related to the dynamic and shared spectrum management. As we all know that spectrum is a key scarce asset in 5G. So in this project, 5GZORRO, it's a 5GZORRO project, we have three technological pillars. The first one of them is related to the use of AI for zero-touch automation for the network management. That's one of the challenges we are trying to address in this project. And this this targets the cross-domain analytics and intelligence. And how we imply this, we have two other concepts as the AIOPS, combining big data and AI to automate operations. And this is then manifested with operational data lakes as both data and AI platform. And with this, intrinsic mechanism as being part of the 5GZORRO platform, we are able to, have intelligent SLA breach prediction and also smart resource and service discoveries that we need. So this is one step, that the 5GZORRO goes forward in trying to bring the AI as intrinsic part of the next generation network platforms. Second innovation and technological pillar that in 5GZORRO project is a secured and distributed 5G marketplace. Again, let me connect this to the challenge of ubiquitous computing. As we know, for this we have to have multiple domains, and one slice or service has to be spanning across multiple domains in order to achieve that dream of ubiquitous computing and networking. To support that, we have come up with this idea of distributed marketplace. Again, of course, it has to be secured as well. And in 5GZORRO project, we have anchored this marketplace in DLT, distributed ledger technology. And with this, we already earned the distributedness and the security that this DLT bring for itself. Now, for the marketplace size, 5GZORRO emphasizes on the feature that provides its onboarding of resource assets that different domains may have. It also allows composition and publishing of product offers that others may browse and lease for it, and dissemination of DLT announced offers and offer discoveries, and also capture of order and agreement settlement using smart contracts. So this is all employed within this one interesting innovation of 5GZORRO project. The third technological pillar is covering the security and trust aspect of 5G across multiple domains. And for this, 5GZORRO platform is employing multiple levels going for this security coverage. One including for the trust part, it's also looking into trust by direct reputation evaluation among the multiple stakeholders. Also, we are depending upon, or we are using the trusted execution environment feature for the hardware side, so this hardware security as well. So if one domain is going to be using a compute resource of another, with the use of this trusted execution environment, the domain which is leasing out other resources could establish the trust with this technology. And as I mentioned before, we have this intrinsic AI setup with AIOPS and data functional data lakes that we can leverage on them for our security analytics, either within domain or across domain. For more information, you can visit our website for all the different publications and different event demonstrations we have done.